everybody, and happy Vlogmas day 4. So we were planning on filming that vegan baking video today as soon as the morning so that I could get this video up for you last night, but unfortunately the piece still has not arrived. It's supposed to get here today. It says it's out for delivery, but we are still waiting. So I can't film that video, and my backup was to do a mukbang tonight with Alex, just like ordering vegan food, but we forgot that tonight is date night, so we are going out. Yes. We love food, and going out to dinner, it's like my favorite thing in the entire world. So right now it is like 3 o'clock and I am going to eat just like a little snack. I don't want to eat anything like too crazy because I know I'm gonna ball out for dinner, so I'm just gonna make a little snack, and then I need to post some stuff on Poshmark. It's like a rainy, gloomy day, so I've been answering emails and stuff all day and editing, so there isn't really that much else for me to do since I don't want to shoot today because it is so gloomy. It's not gonna like translate well. So we are going to do those shots that I wanted to shoot today tomorrow. Hopefully it's not raining tomorrow. So we are just improvising. One of these days, I'm not sure which one, you are going to get 2 Vlogmases in the same day. So we shall just see when that piece arrives, but hopefully it shall arrive on time 2 days so that I can film it tomorrow. Guys, I keep forgetting to buy lemon juice, which definitely pulls this all together. Whenever I'm making guac or just avocado toast, whatever, I always have a lemon juice or something to like give a little acidity, but I keep forgetting to buy some, so we are just gonna have to do without it, which is tragic. Don't judge me, I'm obsessed. So this is what my lunch looks like. So yummy. I don't know if I'll eat this whole avocado, but I wouldn't put it past myself. The crackers that I'm using, if you guys are wondering, are the Mary's Gone crackers. These are, oh my gosh, these are one of my favorites. They are expensive though, so I don't get them all the time, but they are so delicious and really great for just healthy eating. These ones are the herb. These ones are the jalapeno flavor, the darker one. These ones are like very spicy, even for me, and I love spicy food, but even that has just a very strong kick to it. These are organic, gluten-free, non-GMO, and vegan crackers. They are made with whole grain brown rice and whole grain quinoa, brown flax seeds, brown sesame seeds. Really good ingredients. So if you're gonna go for a cracker, these are super, super good. If you want to ball out, you know what I'm saying? Normally I will put like tomatoes and kind of make it like a traditional guac. I'll put some, chop up some red onion, maybe some cilantro, like deck it out like full on guac. But we used pretty much like all of our vegetables the other day when we were making soups. Like we've made like 2 soups this week. So we don't really have that much stuff. Like we have like celery and carrots, which I'm not gonna put in here. That would be disgusting. It's honestly so weird when it rains here in LA because it's just like, it does not happen. I could count it on my hands how many times it rains in LA in a year. So it is a weird sensation, but I kind of like it. This is the jalapeno one. It's darker and it's extremely spicy. I really like they have an everything flavor. It tastes like an everything bagel. It's so good. But I wanted to branch out because I kept buying the same one. So I was like, let's switch it up. Let's try jalapeno. Very spicy. And then I got the herb one just to also switch it up, but I actually really like the herb. I kind of want to make some tea. This weather makes me want tea. I usually make tea at night, but I just want it right now. It's like I'm doing a mukbang. Oh my gosh, you guys. Very exciting news. We got an email today that our couch is ready. It is done. Hallelujah. We placed the order the day after we moved in here in October. It was beginning October, and they said it was gonna take 8 to 12 weeks to make because it is a custom-made couch. But I'm so glad that we waited to place that order until we moved in because we didn't know how we had never seen our apartment before we moved in here, and the layout they gave me was actually opposite. So if I went off of that, which I almost did, I would have gotten the wrong like chase on the wrong side. Thankfully that didn't happen, but it's been a waiting game, waiting for this couch to be done because I feel like I've been trying to wait until our couch got delivered until I can style everything else in the room how I want it, and it's been hard because that's like the main focal point of the living room, and to not have it, it's just like, it looks like such a damper with that couch over there. I don't even want to show you the couch. I mean, you guys have kind of seen like glimpses of it, but it's just not a cute couch, you know? It's so incredibly comfortable. Like Sarah and I got it when we lived together, and I will miss how comfortable that is because it's so deep. Like you can literally like sleep on it, no problem. But it's time to move on. Also, if you're watching this, how the hell do you sell a couch? Like, I want to get rid of this couch. I need to sell it, but it's not like in good condition, you know what I mean? Like, it's only 2 years old, but at least the type of fabric that we have on this one, it's really easily stained. So it just has like marks all over it. Maybe someone would want to like reupholster it or something, but I'm clearly not fancy enough to do that. Who'd want to buy a used couch like that? I don't know. Please let me know if you have experience. I don't know. I was thinking about just like those apps that I've sold other things on, like rugs and other home decor stuff that I have used in the past, but it's like a large couch. And I'm like, how do I even price that? Because it's very used. I just want it out of here though. At this point, I'm like, get this couch out of here so I can get my new couch. I'm so excited. So basically it's done. It says it's going to be transported to the Los Angeles facility. From there, I think they call you. It takes a couple days to process, and then they will schedule delivery time and stuff. So fingers crossed that it'll be here before we leave for Christmas, which is, we're gonna leave on the 19th. So I'm hoping it'd be so nice to just have it here. So when I come back, I can start decorating with pillows and start like finishing my living room. But if not, hopefully I can schedule it for when we get back, because that would be so awful if they were like trying to deliver it while I wasn't even here. It's gonna transform the space so much. It's gonna look poppin' in here. I really wanna get a new media stand. I just don't love the one that we had. We got it because we needed something desperately, and I was sick of looking because at the time when we lived in our old place, I was like, why are these so expensive? I don't want to spend $1 million on a freaking TV stand. But we needed one that would be able to like hold enough stuff. But at this point, I just want to decorate with the stuff that I need first, and then get the stuff that like I want to replace. You know what I mean? Like my bed frame. That's my tip for decorating, guys. Seriously focus on what you need versus what you want. It's very easy to just like want to get the latest thing. Hi, Pop. He's trying to get on my lap. It's super easy to go over budget with that. And then if you keep replacing the things that you just want and you don't need, then you're not gonna have money for what you need, or you're gonna end up just buying the cheapest thing out there just to have something, and then you're gonna hate it. And then you're gonna eventually buy a new one, and then you're just gonna spend more money and more money. So don't do it. All right, I'm gonna keep eating these. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, this is the mass of destruction that is my Poshmark boxes. It is stressing me out so much. That one back there is actually just a donation box. This one is the beauty products that I am putting in every Poshmark order. So there is a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff. And those two boxes back there, plus this area right here, also some more Poshmark stuff. And then the ones that are out are the ones that I have posted. I just need a better system, but I'm gonna post some more right now because it's just stressing me out. And I'm getting a couch right here, which I'm so excited about, but it's also being custom made, so it takes a little bit of time. So this is my motivation, is to get all of this stuff sold or else donated, and then it'll be all clean by the time, hopefully, my couch arrives. It's so dark in here because of the rain. I need to open up my window here. Hopefully it'll be a little bit brighter. Woo. Now you guys really know how pale I am again. I love Poshmark so much. I hate the act of taking the photo, posting it, writing all the descriptions, the sizing, the pricing, like all of that stuff. It's just, it gets very redundant very fast. So luckily I have some Vlogmas to watch while I do that, and some other YouTube videos I need to catch up on. That'll make it go by faster for sure, and hopefully make a dent in that horrendous pile. Also, I know some of you guys are gonna ask, I will link my Poshmark down in the description box below. You can access it on the website and also on your app, but my username is Glamourista16. So yes, go ahead and follow me on Poshmark if you guys want to shop my closet. I do take into consideration reasonable offers, so definitely don't be shy. But also I have a code for like $5 off. I think it's BLWPO. I will put it right here. If you've never used Poshmark before, you can apply that credit to anything that you buy. It doesn't have to be my closet, but you can use it towards my closet if you would like to. Alright guys, I posted a couple things to my Poshmark. It got really dark really quickly. Love when that happens. On top of it already like being dark out. So I had to stop there because it gets too yellowy when I'm trying to like take a photo and it's so dark that it just looks awful and super grainy, and my studio light is not working, so that's an issue. So I can't really use that, but at least I got a couple things down. But now it is almost 5:30. I think Alex and I are gonna leave soon to head over to Santa Monica so that we can go get a drink before we go out to dinner. I think I wanna wear these booties that you guys saw if you watched my earlier Vlogmas videos that I got from Zara from Black Friday. So I think I wanna wear these because they're just so fun and so incredibly comfortable. Also, just thought of this, synchronicity. Another one. The place we're going to tonight is called Boa, like a boa constrictor, and this is like a snake print. Just saying, I'm just saying. Alex picked out my coat. What a gem. All right guys, we just got to Santa Monica and we are gonna go to either a dive bar or this place called the Misfit for a drink before our dinner because our reservation is at 7, so it's in an hour. Man, we don't always do this, but for some reason twice on the vlog now we are pre-gaming dinner with getting some drinks. Guys, look how pretty this is. Brr. Almost made it to dinner. So excited, you guys. We just made it to Boa. I'm about to ball out. We've made it to Boa. So many good things, you guys. And they have a vegan section, which is amazing. So many vegetable sides. Like, how am I gonna decide? Oh my gosh, yeah, you're right. So many potatoes. So we have made it to Boa, and this is the place that Sarah went to for her 21st birthday. And I went here for we went here with our manager back in the day. I think that was the very first time that we ever went here and found out about this place. It was at the Sunset Strip location. And right now we're at the Santa Monica location. And it was so good. That was back when steak is my favorite food. And I got a huge steak. They have a tableside Caesar, which is so good. Alex actually ordered that as well for his appetizer. So I'll show you guys what they make back. It's so cool. I think I'm gonna do the vegan garbanzo and cashew korma. And I'm gonna ask for no mushrooms because I don't love mushrooms, which I know is so bizarre because it's in like so many vegan dishes and I need to like it at some point, but maybe that's able to. Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside, snow is falling and friends are calling you. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Tell us how it is. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. Alright guys, just got my dinner, and this is the garbanzo and cauliflower rice with some vegetable medley. It looks amazing. I got it without the mushrooms. Alex also got a side of so lobster mashed potatoes. And he got the whole branzino, which freaks me out. Oh my gosh, that's kind of terrifying, I'm just gonna be honest, but he loves branzinos. Guys, I am back. We are back, I should say, from Boa. Oh my goodness. You guys, that was so freaking good. I literally have no words. The cocktail was so good too. I got the clean cocktail, by the way. If you ever go to Boa on the Sunset Strip or in Santa Monica, get the clean cocktail. It's delicious. And there's not too much sugar, you know? The only sugar that's in there is agave. Ollie is still hungry. He is definitely my child. Anyway, it's like 10:30 right now. I think I'm going to make some tea. I've been on this kick of spearmint tea lately. I had to order it because I could not find it anywhere in store. Hold on, Oliver, I will feed you, child. I could not find it anywhere in stores. Apparently it's very rare. You'll see peppermint tea in store, but spearmint tea is very hard to find. But when I signed up for Curology, I did my whole like skin assessment, and they have like a doctor or whatnot review your skin and tell you what they tell you the recommendations for your skincare routine, and just they gave you lifestyle advice, which was actually very interesting, and I thought that was such a cool little addition to the system, that they had someone actually giving you tips. So One of my tips was to drink spearmint tea because something with androgens helps you with breakouts. So I'm like, dude, anything that can help me prevent breakouts, I'm all about. And plus it tastes so good. It's nothing like too crazy, like peppermint tea is very intense. I feel like this one's like a good step down from that. I just caught Alex listening to his AirPods. He said he's listening to some late night jazz. Oh, it feels like I'm listening to your Sonos.
I'm not going to be on TV.
Yeah, you are. You got the face for a podcast, Nug. I want AirPods for Christmas.
Yeah, I got the hint.
What's going on with your hair, little dude? Are you alfalfa? Should I named you Alfie? I almost named you Alfie. Bottoms up. Alright guys, I'm going to drink my tea and probably watch a show and head to bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas and I will see you guys in tomorrow's. Mwah!